If you drive on snow and ice frequently, you probably want a dedicated winter tire, not just an all-season. And Bridgestone's Blizzak lineup has historically been the most popular winter tire lineup in the United States. Now I'm here in Steamboat Springs, Colorado at the Bridgestone Winter Driving School to experience the newest Blizzak tire, the Bridgestone Blizzak IcePeak. This replaces the DMV2 and the WS90, and this is meant to be your general all-purpose winter tire with 107 different fitments from 14 to 22 inches. Welcome to Out Motorsports, the channel for cars as you are. Let's talk all about this tire and see how it performs here on some snow and ice.
We're going across whoever that car is we park.
Grandma got to get to bingo.
Okay, brake. Yes, jump off, turn, wind a little out. Good, keep it wide here. Keep it wide and brake. Bend it in, unwind a little. Gas. Yeah. Nice. All right, brake. Brakes. Stay on them, stay on them. Nice. Yeah, good. Unwind a little. Nice. Good. Yeah, I feel like we're braking now. We're braking. Brakes. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Sweet. That's
Come
nice.
on, come on, come on, come on. There we go.
Yeah, slow down here. We'll go to the pits. Cool. Nice job.
Sweet.
That's awesome.
Now, most people looking at tires just say, well, if it's black and round and holds air, that seems like it's going to be good enough for me. But tire technology has come a long way, and really, these new Blizzak IcePeaks have some big improvements, so let's talk about those. The first big thing that you've got here is MultiCell technology. That's Bridgestone's term for what they use to displace water off the top layer of a sheet of ice. That is important because you want to have maximum grip and good turn-in. The other thing they've changed here with the IcePeak is the sipe angle. That's going to help with that biting force to help you with acceleration and turning. Now, the other part of this is a logo that you'll notice on the tire, and that is because the IcePeak is going to be not just 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake rated, but also IceGrip-certified. So where 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake means the tire is better than an average tire at acceleration on ice, the IceGrip certification means it's also better than average at stopping. And really, acceleration is great, but what does that matter if you can't stop? So that is the point of that certification. Now, the other thing that Bridgestone improved upon with the IcePeak over older Blizzaks is its rolling resistance. It is 21% better than the outgoing tires. That is important because you want to consider your fuel economy. Usually a winter tire is going to take a pretty big MPG hit, and in this case, you're going to have a much better time, which matters if you're living somewhere like we are here in Steamboat Springs, where you run these tires many months out of the year. Now, Bridgestone has these tires on a brand new 2026 Camry SE. These are all going to be hybrids with all-wheel drive. And let's get behind the wheel and see how this tire performs on snow and ice. This is mostly ice here. They have not had a lot of snow this year in Colorado. So let's see how it does. All right, so let's talk about these tires, and we're gonna head right into the skid pad here. And all I'm gonna do is just lift off, turn in, wait, and let the car recover. And this is nice to figure out because this is more ice than snow. So like I mentioned, this MultiCell tech is supposed to help evacuate that water and then let the tire have something more to grip. And it's also gonna let you get more snow packed in, even though we don't have a lot of snow here, because snow on snow is gonna be grippier than rubber on snow itself. So it feels really good. The turn-in of these tires I like quite a bit. You know, this is not requiring a lot of corrective efforts here. And granted, I'm not the most experienced snow driver, but this feels nice as far as turn-in goes. So just turn in and wait, let the car recover. Obviously, we've got a lot of room to play here and just see what we can do. But the grip is nice. If we go for the brakes, this feels really nice and steady for how it just stops right away. Like I mentioned, that's that new certification on top of the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake, which is acceleration. So the new one is for braking, and it has to be at least 17% better than the standard bearer tire, which is a Uniroyal Tiger Paw, which is an old tire, but that's from when this all was conceived initially for 3-Peak back in 1999. Now 3-Peak is gonna be for your acceleration, so here if I just pin it, we've got traction control off. feels good for how much it can scrabble forward, keeping in mind this is an all-wheel drive hybrid Camry. It's not going to be a ton of power, but either way, the acceleration and the braking all feels nice. And then, like I said, that turn in and that lateral grip also feels really good. So these are impressive to me. It's not going to be a Blizzak 6. Those are meant for sports cars, but those are meant more for a higher speed rating if you want to be, driving on the Autobahn in your sports car in the winter. That's the whole point of those. These come in all sorts of sizes, like I mentioned, to fit all sorts of cars. And these are going to be your everyday, every person type of winter tire. So these have to be good. Now, I've got the prior tire, the WS90, on my Mercedes S-Class, and those feel really, really great, but I think these have a better turn-in particular. And then, like I mentioned, that rolling resistance is also going to be a big part of this, so you get better fuel economy. Of course, sliding around in the middle of an icy field is not really for fuel economy, but if you're using these in the real world, you're probably going to care a lot more about that. Go ahead and do another down into the lift off, turn in. And yes, you can have fun sliding a Camry if you couldn't believe that before. And then we're going to go over here and attempt a lateral sort of lane change maneuver, if I can get through this turn and not screw it up. Come out wide and get it going a bit, and then this, like I said, that lateral side to side feels really nice as well. So these seem to be a very well-rounded tire, keeping in mind this is pretty limited conditions, and like I mentioned, it's more ice than snow. But these are giving me a lot of confidence to just, haul this Camry around, do some dumb stuff, slide it, and just feel very comfortable. So it's a good first impression for sure, and I think we could definitely have some good times on these in more snow if they come on a car when we get more snow than Colorado's got right now. But if you are shopping for these are going to be on sale starting in March of this year, so they're really meant for next year's snow season. Until then, you're going to have WS90 and DMV2. But this is making all of this pretty easy, keeping in mind I'm kind of an idiot when it comes to snow. So thank you for coming along. This is just a little first taste of these Blizzak IcePeaks, and if we can get a set at home and find some snow to play in, I will certainly give that a shot. Until then, I'm going to keep drifting this Camry in circles until they tell me I can't. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all the likes, shares, comments, subscribes, all that good stuff. Head over to outmotorsports.com. We've got a whole community over there, some of which are here today doing the Bridgestone Winter Driving School fastest ride on ice. We'll have a whole separate video on that later on. But till next time, please stay safe, be well, and we'll see you again soon.